Okay, let me now get you our top story here in India. The Ministry of Defence has cleared the procurement of an additional 114 Rafale fighter jets for the Indian Air Force. The Defence Acquisition Council, headed by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, approved the procurement of this 4.5 generation Rafale fighter jet. The deal is said to be the largest defence deal, worth close to about 3.25 lakh crore, or between 35 to 40 billion dollars. We are told about 88 of these would be single-seater, 26 would be twin-seater fighter jets, 18 are to be brought to India in flyaway condition, and the remaining are to be made in India, assembled in India, perhaps with some degree of technology transfer. Initially about 30%, may go up to 60%. India Today's Shivani Sharma brings you this report.
From Operation Sindhu to the future of India's air dominance, the hero of the skies is back in focus. More Rafales are incoming as India signs the mother of all defence deals. After Operation Sindhu, where the Rafale was projected as a backbone of India's air power, the Vice Chief of the Air Staff, Air Marshal Nagesh Kapoor, called the aircraft the hero of the operation, signalling the Air Force's clear intent to induct more multi-role fighters. India now has cleared one of its biggest ever military acquisitions, a staggering 3.6 lakh crore rupees agreement with France to procure 114 Rafale fighter jets for the Indian Air Force.
Rafale definitely was a hero, amongst other heroes. During Op Sindoor, Indian Air Force is definitely looking forward to induct a lot more of these newer generation aircraft into our inventory, and the sooner the better.
The proposal has been cleared by the Defence Acquisition Council just ahead of French President's visit to Delhi, sending a strong strategic signal. If approved by the Cabinet Committee on Security, this deal will dramatically expand India's air combat strength and deepen defence ties with Paris. Under this deal, 18 Rafales will be delivered directly from France. 96 jets will be manufactured and assembled in India, a major boost to domestic aerospace capability. So why does this deal matter? It underlines India's strategic trust in France, sets the tone for Macron's India visit, and deepens defence cooperation between New Delhi and Paris. It will also boost the Air Force's dwindling squadron strength and will reshape India's air power for the next 3 decades. Not just that, it also gives French defence firms a long-term industrial footprint in India. While most are hailing the deal, some are not convinced. Critics argue the total cost, which could exceed $40 billion after factoring in weapons packages, maintenance, spares and upgrades, this may strain defence budgets and impact indigenous programs. So the question is India strengthening its skies or stretching its purse? The final call now rests with the Cabinet Committee on Security, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
The Defence Ministry sources have indicated that this will be on a condition of 40 to 50% indigenous content and full authorization of integration of weapons according to Indian needs. So now the way is paved for 114 Rafale jets, and in addition to the 2 squadrons, one in Ambala, in Hashimara, Indian Air Force will have new squadrons of the Rafales.
As India weighs security imperatives against fiscal realities, one thing is clear. The Rafale is no longer just a fighter jet. It is a statement of strategy and power. With Shivani Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.